I have to get away from the tops. That's why I'm doing
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get this one off your tail.
Okay, thank you. Wait, do you guys have the tops?
Oh!
That works.
Crap, how are we gonna get that?
We gotta go down.
My Duke.
Crap, no, no,
Oh,
no.
good. Okay.
I hardly lost
Okay,
any
this
damage
way.
at all. Keep me safe.
Yep.
Well, you can't hear me.
There we go. You opened the door for me.
Billy!
Got a bit of a problem. Got wind of what we were up to. Apparently killing a guy's closest associate puts a bit of a spotlight on him.
Yay, his missiles are trash. Wait, are you good? Oh, you're not good. Very not good. I was busy, you know, trying to avoid a homing missile.
Just give me. Nice.
Oh.
There are some screws. I hope we.
Are you seeing this?
Let's go.
No, I'm kind of trying to avoid homing missiles right now.
Okay.
Why?
That was creepy.
Well, you know what else I can do?
Huh. Kick you out, me out?
Yeah.
You could try that too.
There you go.
Oh, okay. I had. Whoa! Oh.
Was that fun?
Fly my Akula around. Whoa.
That was great. That wasn't me.
I know.
Just keep trying to back up into that hole.
There we go. I made a gate. Oh!
Nice job. Leave.
Eh?
Now, one question: do you want to ride?
Sure.
Okay.
Not that
I
way.
give you a ride.
Actually, I'm gonna grab my bat.
Your bat, right?
Oh, jeez.
There you go. You can get in. I'm the one with the rockets here.
I don't care. See? There
Nice
we go.
landing.
Perfect. Oh!
Oh no! Did you survive?
I did.
Oh.
That would be funny. Oh. I could not
You just can't
turn.
steer.
Oh, off-road. Oh! Ow!
Did you see that?
See what?
We like both.
Oh, we
kicked our
both
bikes
flew?
away. Mine flew in the air. I stayed on the ground.
Yep, they will. Oh, no, 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 that's a cliff. Oh! Oh, that hurt. Ah, I'm right here. Ow! No, did you see the car? It hit my
No.
bike.
Oh, that's rude.
Did you survive
Dang
it?
No, I should have. Oh, I was close.
Woo!
You got it?
I did. I landed it, too.
Oh, he survived. GG.
Whoa! Huh. It's following you.
Pay oil. He ran it. This is a nice nap. Am I actually keeping you
You
down?
are. I'm laying in here like a body.
What the heck? I can't raise it. Okay.
Oh! Ow.
Much better.
Oh.
One second. Oh my goodness, I know someone like this person.
Oh!
That works. I kidnapped you. Okay, good.
That sounds bad, though.
Wait a sec. Oh, perfect. Okay, this time you did actually fall off. There you go. Thank you.
Ooh!
Oh!
Yippee! Tree. House. Oh!
Hmm?
You might be interested to come see this.
Alright, I'm coming 1 second.
I have a knack for doing this.
You get stuck between something?
Kind of? Oh! Ow.
Wait, let's make it cool. Wait. Alright, go ahead. Wait, where are you?
Uh-oh. Was that cool enough?
Yeah, well, I was gonna launch a firework at you, but...
Professional and annoying. How awesome. That's up to you. I don't know how long this sale is gonna go for.
Yeah. Well, until next week. So yeah, I'll buy it now.
Are you hurt?
Can you shoot this
Whoa!
control truck thing?
Are you kidding me?
You kicked you out?
No. I pushed F instead of E. Where is it? Cause...
Oh crud, can you hit me?
Yes.
I'm stuck. Thank you. Oh crud. I'm stuck. Can you hit these cars?
Oh!
Oh crap! That thing's not supposed to be explosive.
Oops.
Well, actually, he's not there. He's
Oh!
Huh? Sadly, you can't.
Not at all?
Nope.
Whoa!
What? Oh, you're in an underground thing?
Holy crap, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. If you look up, I bet I know where you are. Crud, I almost fell in the water.
Holy crap! I wish I could keep this uniform. I really do. Oh, jeepers.
We're at 1 point.
It's not saying for me.
Oh.
Oh! Mm.
Yeah, once we do these 2 missions, I'll show you something else. No! Are you serious? Stop it! I can't get in when you do that. Wow. Okay, so now I have an idea for you. Ooh, crud. You stay here. Stay here. I'm gonna go on the turbine along quick. I see. Whoa, what happened? You crashed my drone. Rude. Oh, we were in the Avenger. We're taking down a mobile operation center. There. Jeez. You alright? Where are you now? Or just go to the Merryweather place. Alright, yeah, land here, and then... Yeah, go to the Merryweather if that's easier. What? Oh my goodness. What the... Oh my... Stupid thing. They closed the... They shut my wings off. Crud. Okay, I ran out of gumption. Did you land it? Alright. It shouldn't be protected. Ow. To the what? Wait. Is that on it? Oh, you... No, because I just got a 3-star. Okay, I gotta figure out how to hit this guy. Okay, I think I can take your car.
Okay, are they trying to kill me or him? Dude, what are you doing? Alright, I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna go get in my vehicle. This guy's annoying. That better? You okay now? Seriously, dude, you okay now? Well, he seemed to get that straightened out. Figured out what he wanted to do. I think. Maybe not. Maybe if I pull out this. That better? Oh!
See what? So say you're around a corner.
Uh-huh.
And you're waiting. What I'll do is this. And then when they come around so I'll do this, and then when they come around the corner, I just do that.
Oh, here we go. Come through the, booth. Wow! Oh, no!
Wait, what?
I'm inside.